Crazy Crafters, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be making an inspirational frame. Now let's get to it. The materials you will need for this craft are a picture frame, decorative scrapbook paper, a dry erase marker, pen, and scissors. To start, grab your picture frame. It can be any size. Mine's a 4x6. Unlatch the tabs on the side and take out the backing. And also take out the piece of paper. You can set the picture frame off to the side. Grab your paper. It can be any color or any design you want, and flip it over to the back so the white side is showing. Take the piece of paper that was originally from your picture frame and line it up on the edge of the paper. Grab your pen and draw a line going down the piece of paper so you know where exactly to measure and cut. Take the piece of paper from the picture frame and put it off to the side. Now take your scissors and cut along the pen lines that you just drew on the piece of paper. Take the scrap piece of paper and put it off to the side. Now with your rectangle piece of paper, make sure that the color side faces the glass and put it in. Then take the backing of your picture frame and also put that in, and then latch the tabs down. Flip the picture frame over. You can do it vertical or horizontal, but I'm going to do mine horizontal. Now I'm going to take my dry erase marker and write any kind of inspirational word across it. Right now, I'm going to write dream. You can change the word anytime you want. When you want to change it, take a paper towel and wipe it off. You might need a little water sometimes if it's too sticky. Another word you could write is be kind. Maybe even add a little smiley face. And that is how you make an inspirational frame. This is a great decoration to put in your bedroom to remind yourself each day to have a positive mindset. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you, Crazy Crafters, for tuning in. We'll hope to see you next time. Bye!